people, we are ready to rock and roll. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're reviewing a belt. Now I've had this for quite some time because I wanted to really seriously check this thing out, and I use it every single day. I got two of these. I did get them for free, and it is an amazing product. It's a belt, but not just any belt. It's a core belt. And people who are familiar with this particular product know how awesome they are. So this particular product, so I'm just going to show you the box, and you can see the logo, Core. Okay, this is Core Belts. This logo will be up here momentarily. Okay, so this is, so I already cut. So it's kind of nice, and this is really rigid. I mean, it's specifically for, get this, carrying your firearm on your hip, because you need something that's extremely rigid all the time, and it can't be flimsy because you need this firearm stuck to your hip. As much as you don't want to be printing and people knowing that you have a firearm. This is specifically for on the hip, and I'm going to show you momentarily and how this belt works. But before we do that, I want to show you all about this product, and I'm going to endorse this. I'm giving this the JoeteckTips endorsement because it actually kicks major ass. Now this is a ratchet design, okay, ratchet, meaning that it clicks each moment, each position as you go, and it's really fine-tuning because the ratchet clicks are so close together. So, as the box falls, this is a different style than what I have on me right now. And what is this, brown? No, this is black. This is black. It's got the Core logo right here. It's imprinted on the leather. This is 100% leather, but it's extremely rigid. Extremely rigid. This one it has ratchets up to here, so it's about, this is the length of the ratchet, but you could set the length to anything you wish. And on the inside shows from 28 to 44. Okay? 28 to 44. So whatever waist size you are, you cut it with a scissor. Right, so say you're 42, you cut it at 42. If you're 37, you cut it at 37. But what's really unique about this product is that after it's cut, this is what you do. You take the cut end, and this is how cool it is. You slide it right in like so, and it'll stop. And then you just slip this thing like this, and it grabs. It grabs the leather, and now this will not come off. It is stuck on there. And this is set up for a 44-inch waist. So it goes in like so, and then that's it. This is for a 28-inch waist. 44 is obviously bigger. Like that. So this is any size you wish. You don't have to cut it, but you'll have extra, just so you know. So I'm wearing one now. Alright, this is it here. This is set for size 44. Looks like I mean, I actually cut it. That's kind of weird. This might have been smaller. It says 44 here. What is this? Oh, this goes even wider. So this one here goes to 54. This one I didn't cut yet. So this one's already pre-cut at 44. That's a 44. It comes 44. Then this is 54. But if you notice, excuse me, if you notice, there's some excess. I got this extra piece here that I actually cut off. So I could probably lose another good 6 inches or so, and I don't have to tuck it in here. So let's show you this. So I'm going to put the gun on my hip. I just want to show you that it's unloaded. There is a mag in it. No rounds in it. This is only specifically for this video. And this is my concealed carry case for my Glock 45, which is what this firearm is, and my P320. So this goes like so. Now, if any other belt, this firearm would be limping. So this is designed for close. So I'm going to keep clicking. Now it's nice and tight, and my firearm is close to my hip. Now, if I was a detective, this would be great. So it's right here, ready to go. But if you can see, it's nice and tight. It ain't going anywhere. If I want to click it even more, I can. But it's super tight on my hip. I can wear a jacket or another shirt over this, a sweatshirt or something, and you will not see that I am printing. Because if I'm facing the camera like this, you really can't tell that I actually have it. If I have a shirt on, this is the type that this is. It's a non-printing, shows my firearm. So if I need it, I can simply, and I'm ready to go because I have it right here. So, and this particular holster is nice because it has a little thumb piece right here to grab it, and I'm ready to go in whatever situation I'm in. So this particular belt, core belt, is awesome, and this is the only belt I wear no matter what, regardless of, because this fits snug. It's nice and snug. It doesn't flop around. It doesn't do anything. It's a fantastic belt, as you can clearly see. I mean, come on, look at this. This is like, if you probably could, I mean, if you weren't looking, you wouldn't know that I even have a gun on my hip. You know, unless I'm using this as a, a hand rest. But you really can't tell, really, unless you're looking for it. Unless I'm going to be walking around like this, then you're going to know. But if I had just a regular shirt on over this, you're never going to know, because it's nice and snug. This thing works really, really well. This belt, I endorse it. JoeteckTips is endorsing this belt. It's fantastic. I love it. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase it. And you can have your very own core belt yourself. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.